Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Coil and I'll be reviewing all 5 products in their CMOS collection. But just in case you're wondering what CMOS could possibly have in connection with hair, let's take a minute to get an overall idea on the benefits of CMOS in hair care. So basically, and according to Google, CMOS, which is also called Irish sea moss or Irish moss, is a type of seaweed that mostly grows on the coastlines of the British Isles and the Atlantic coast. In hair care, it is infused into conditioning and styling products to encourage the production of sebum on the scalp, combat dandruff, and drastically reduce hair loss. So here's a lineup of the entire product range of 5 products, and I put my hair in 6 loose braids to simplify the wash process. So I started off by squirting small amounts of the Powerhouse CMOS cleanser. This shampoo deep cleanses, lathers really well, removes buildup without stripping, which makes me believe it to be a shampoo that combines both clarifying and moisturizing properties. It does have the consistency of a runny gel with great sleep, and that's something that isn't characteristic of most shampoos or cleansers that I've used. I gently worked it into my scalp, ensuring that I covered the entire area before rinsing off to apply the conditioner. The conditioner is a 92 mineral strengthening mask that is packaged in a tube, which I think is a brilliant idea because considering how thick the product is, having to squirt it out of a bottle would be quite a struggle. Let me also add that I didn't experience any hair breakage whilst detangling, and seeing as CMOS is a natural protein, this product makes for an excellent protein mask and will leave your strands feeling stronger after each use. So after I rinsed that out, I went on to apply the Moisture Magnet CMOS Curl Cream. This product can be used singly as a soft hold styler or as a leave-in conditioning cream preceding a gel or a mousse. And my hair felt thoroughly moisturized after application, and if it wasn't for the fact that I had to incorporate the actual stylers into this video, I could have easily just stopped right here. Proceeded to set my hair in 3-strand twists using the Nourish and Shine CMOS foam. It's a non-sticky styler that greatly defines curls without hardening the hair. It also features a perforated pump dispenser, which in my opinion controls spillage and eliminates the need to shake the bottle before dispensing. I also think it's a stylist-friendly packaging size that comfortably fits into the palm of your hand, as the bottle isn't as big as most mousses that I've used prior. Now for the front area of my hair, I decided to use the Sea Sleep Mineral Coil Slime to create 4 regular braids, just to give you guys like an overall idea of how both stylers perform. And the slime styler should not be paired with other stylers, as it may result in flaking due to its gel-like consistency. So I took down the braids and twists the following day, and here's a comparison of how both stylers performed. So now you can see the back area where I used the mousse and the front area where I used the slime styler, and you can tell that both of the stylers did very well with defining my curls and leaving my hair soft and easy to manage. Now at this point, if you're somebody who likes definition, you can literally wear your hair like this with the curls intact, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be separating mine further. And overall, a common denominator in all 5 products is that they've each got really great sleep, especially for the slime styler, and you can tell by how easy it was for me to create a twisted crown in the front area of my hair that was set using the slime styler, because usually that's something that requires me to blow out or thread my hair prior, but there was no need for any of those in this case. So if you have 4B or 4C hair and you're looking to, incorporate stylers that would make your hair a lot more manageable, I 100% recommend the slime and the mousse. Considering that my hair is still in recovery from the bad breakage I went through a few months ago, I haven't really been wearing it loose lately, and so I opted for a more put together look and just secured the rest of my hair in an elastic scrunchie. I really liked how soft and smooth to the touch my hair felt, and despite using all the stylers in the CMOS collection, they didn't even weigh my hair down at all. Like, how crazy is that? I feel like each product in this collection was a hit, from the shampoo to the hair mask to the leave-in conditioner to the mousse and the slime. And I'm not sure if I have a favorite yet. I guess I'll see about that over time. But for now, every product on this collection checks the box for me, really and truly. And you can find them at your nearest Ulta Beauty or simply shop online from the official website at www.coils.com. Please refer to the video description for the giveaway details, and I'll have every other relevant link in the video description as well. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.